Have you ever felt like there's just not enough time in the day? You're racing against the clock, yet stress keeps piling up, leaving you overwhelmed and unable to focus. What if I told you that stress and time management are deeply connected, and by understanding this relationship, you could transform your productivity and well being? Let's dive into how stress affects your time management and, more importantly, how you can fix it. Stress and time management are like two sides of the same coin. When we feel stressed, it becomes harder to manage our time effectively, and when we fail to manage our time, it can lead to even more stress. This vicious cycle affects not just our work but also our mental and physical health. Understanding how stress impacts our ability to plan, prioritize, and execute tasks is the first step toward breaking free from this cycle. In this article, we'll explore what stress is, how it affects time management, and actionable strategies to regain control over your time and your life. What is stress? Stress is your body's natural response to pressure or challenges. It can come from external factors like deadlines, workload, or personal conflicts, and internal factors like self-doubt or perfectionism. While a small amount of stress can motivate you to take action, chronic stress can impair your ability to think clearly, make decisions, and stay productive. Stress affects your body by releasing hormones like cortisol, which, when elevated for too long, can lead to fatigue, anxiety, and even physical health problems. What is time management? Time management is the process of planning and organizing how you divide your time between tasks and activities. It involves setting priorities, creating schedules, and staying disciplined to complete tasks efficiently. Good time management allows you to work smarter, not harder, by focusing on what's important and eliminating distractions. It's not just about getting things done, it's about creating a balanced life where you can achieve your goals without feeling overwhelmed. How stress and time management interact. Decision making. Stress can cloud your judgment, making it harder to prioritize tasks. Focus. High stress levels reduce your ability to concentrate, leading to mistakes and wasted time. Energy levels. Chronic stress drains your physical and mental energy, leaving you too tired to be productive. Procrastination. Stress often triggers avoidance behaviors like procrastination, which further compounds time management issues. Why is time management important? Reduce stress. A clear plan of action helps alleviate the anxiety of not knowing where to start. Boost productivity. You get more done in less time when you prioritize effectively. Achieve goals. Structured time management ensures you focus on long-term objectives, not just urgent tasks. Create balance. Managing your time helps you allocate moments for work, relaxation, and personal growth. How to fix the stress time management cycle? Identify stress triggers. Pinpoint the situations or tasks that cause you the most stress. Keep a journal to track patterns and understand your stressors. Prioritize tasks using the Eisenhower matrix. Divide tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither. Focus on important tasks to reduce last-minute stress. Practice mindfulness. Take short breaks to breathe and refocus. Mindfulness can help lower cortisol levels, improving focus and clarity. Use time blocking. Allocate specific time slots for each task and stick to the schedule. This structure reduces decision fatigue and ensures you stay on track. Set realistic goals. Break large projects into smaller, manageable steps. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Stress and focus. When you're stressed, your brain is in a constant state of fight or flight. This makes it harder to focus on the task at hand because your mind is preoccupied with worries or negative thoughts. For example, if you're worried about an upcoming deadline, you might struggle to concentrate on preparing the report. Instead of jumping between tasks, take 5 minutes to breathe deeply and clear your mind. By calming your stress response, you can refocus and work more efficiently. Time blocking benefits. Time blocking is an effective technique to combat stress. When you dedicate specific time slots for each task, you eliminate the guesswork of what to do next. For instance, instead of panicking about completing a big project, break it into smaller parts and assign each part a specific time on your calendar. This approach not only improves productivity but also gives you a sense of accomplishment as you tick off each block. Delegation to reduce stress. One of the biggest contributors to stress is feeling like you have to do everything yourself. Delegating tasks can help lighten your load. For example, if you're managing a team at work, assign smaller tasks to your colleagues and focus on the bigger picture. At home, involve family members in household chores. Delegating not only reduces stress but also helps you practice effective time management by focusing on tasks that truly require your attention. How stress impacts decision-making and time management. Stress heavily influences our ability to make sound decisions, which is a cornerstone of effective time management. When you're stressed, your brain often shifts into survival mode, focusing on immediate threats rather than logical thinking or long-term planning. This can lead to impulsive decisions or difficulty in prioritizing tasks. For instance, under stress, you might spend hours on an unimportant task simply because it feels easier than tackling a high-priority item. Over time, these poor decisions create a backlog of critical work, increasing both stress and time management challenges. By recognizing this pattern, you can pause, take a few deep breaths, and reassess your priorities with a clear mind. The psychological effects of multitasking under stress. When stressed, many people resort to multitasking, believing it's the only way to keep up with their workload. However, research shows that multitasking reduces efficiency and increases errors, which can compound stress. Imagine trying to respond to emails, finish a report, and attend a virtual meeting simultaneously. The cognitive overload caused by juggling multiple tasks leaves you drained and less effective. Instead, focusing on one task at a time improves your efficiency and reduces mental fatigue. Single tasking not only helps you manage time better but also boosts the quality of your work, giving you a sense of accomplishment. Procrastination, a symptom of stress and poor time management. Procrastination is often a result of stress, not laziness. When you feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of tasks, it's tempting to avoid them altogether. This avoidance provides temporary relief but adds to the pressure as deadlines loom closer. For example, if you're stressed about preparing a presentation, you might spend hours scrolling through social media instead, only to panic when the deadline approaches. The key to breaking this cycle is to start small. Even dedicating 5 minutes to a task can build momentum and reduce the mental barrier. Over time, this approach trains your brain to associate action with stress relief, making you more proactive. The link between stress, perfectionism, and time management. Perfectionism is a common stress response that can sabotage your time management efforts. When you're stressed, the desire to make everything perfect can lead to excessive time spent on minor details, delaying the completion of important tasks. For instance, you might rewrite an email multiple times, trying to get the wording just right, while neglecting a critical project. To overcome this, set realistic expectations for yourself and learn to accept that good enough is often sufficient. By letting go of perfectionism, you free up time and mental energy to focus on what truly matters. The role of social support in managing stress and time. Social support plays a crucial role in breaking the stress time management cycle. Sharing your workload or simply discussing your challenges with a friend or colleague can significantly reduce stress. For example, if you're overwhelmed by a tight deadline, asking a coworker for help or brainstorming solutions with them can provide both practical and emotional relief. Strong social connections also offer a sense of belonging and perspective, reminding you that you don't have to face everything alone. Make it a habit to reach out to your support network, whether it's family, friends, or coworkers, whenever stress starts to impact your productivity.